Hello, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at another new plugin from Kit Plugins. This one's called Core EQ. I've done reviews of their other plugins. The last one was Core Comp. It came out quite recently, and the one before that was the Blackbird N105 channel strip emulation, which is an emulation of a very famous channel strip from Blackbird Studios, the Studio A. So I have this little composing track that I've been working on using different string sections and just orchestral kind of stuff. I'm using the Embertone Friedlander Violin and Bohemian Cello from V-Harmonic, Marimba from ETO, library that I picked up sort of during Black Friday sales there, which is the Abbey Road 2 strings library. Really nice. Just the basic version of that. You only have the close mic strings in the basic version. Then I'm using Abbey Road Drummer for the drums. I wish that Native Instruments would update Contact to have more intuitive routing so that I could route each channel of this kit or each channel of this mixer simply to a track on Cubase, but unfortunately that's not the case, so I'm stuck kind of doing it in their mixer. Then I'm using Bohemian Violin, a couple of different instances of Bohemian Violin. I did have this instance was actually being triggered by the Embertone Violin, but I compared the two and preferred what the Bohemian Violin was doing. So yeah, I'll just go through the track and let you hear what the Core EQ sounds like on the different elements here, and then I'll do an A-B accumulative across the whole track, where I'll just bypass every instance of it and do an A-B. Okay. So first, I'll let you hear what it's doing on the Legato Violin, which is the Embertone violins playing that. So a little boosting at 281 Hertz, a little boosting at 1.6 kilohertz, a little cutting at 600 Hertz, and a little boosting at 1.5. And then a little bit of high pass filter, 64 Hertz, and also low pass filter at 18.5 kilohertz. So that's it bypassed. Just opening up that sound a little bit, nothing extreme, but it just makes it sound a little more lively, a little less dull. I think it's quite a bit more noticeable on this. I have a decent boost at 139 Hertz. Another boost at 200, a slight boost at 959, and then another decent boost at 3.94 kilohertz. So that's it bypassed. Pardon me. So it's just adding a fair amount of body to that. The Native Instruments Abbey Road Vintage Drummer. Decent boost at 30 or 74 Hertz. Another boost at 1.2 kilohertz. A little bit of a cut at 600. And another boost at 3.85 kilohertz. A pretty big difference there in the drums too. Just opened it up quite a bit. And then I've also got it on the mix bus. Again, pretty dramatic. Got a decent boost at 73 Hertz. A little bit of a boost at 570. Bit of a boost at 3. And another decent boost at 6.4. So on the ping pong delay, got a boost at 200 and a cut at 200. Slight boost at 1 kilohertz and another slight boost at 3.9 kilohertz. So yeah, just adds a bit of sparkle or something. It's really similar to the M105. Whatever these guys are doing with EQs, they're doing something that's really, I don't know, makes their EQs stand out as being a lot more musical. Whoa. No, sorry. I'm not sure what I said there to trigger that, but so I've got this whole other section with the Bohemian violins and cello. go for the Bohemian violin. So just some gentle boosts. Again, just gently opening it up a little bit. A bit more aggressive on the cello. Definitely really musical EQ. Like, it's not doing anything unpleasant to that, and that was a fair amount of boosting going on. So this is a violin an octave down. Some fairly decent boosts going on there. So what I'll do is I'll group these tracks together. Not group them, sorry, just link them. Just the inserts. And then I should be able to bypass all instances of core EQ. So when they go grey, that's it bypassed. Oh, I've missed one. So that's it without. So yeah, I think this is another really nice plugin from Kit Plugins. I think they do something different with their EQs. Whatever algorithm they're using, it just sounds really, really smooth, very easy to dial in, very musical. And at $29, I think it's what they call a no-brainer. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.